Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana tasks to Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to analyze project data, create custom reports, or share task information with team members who don't use Asana. First, head over to your Google Workspace and open either a new or existing Google Sheet. This will serve as the destination for all your Asana task data. Once you have your sheet ready, you'll need to get the right tool to connect Asana with Google Sheets. Next, search for the Asana add-on in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Look for Asana Exports and click on it. This add-on is what bridges the gap between your Asana projects and Google Sheets, allowing you to pull task data seamlessly. Click Install and you'll be prompted to authorize access to both your Google account and Asana account. This authorization is necessary so the add-on can retrieve your project data. Once the installation is complete, open your Google Sheet and navigate to Extensions in the top menu. From there, select Asana Exports, then click on Sync with Asana. At this point, you'll need the link from your Asana project to establish the connection. Switch over to your Asana project. Locate the project from which you want to export tasks and click the drop-down button on the right side of the project title. This opens a menu with several options for managing your project. Hover over Export or Sync, and you'll see Google Sheets as one of the options. Select it. This action generates a unique link for your project. Copy this link as it's what tells Google Sheets exactly which Asana project to pull data from. Head back to your Google Sheet and paste the link into the designated field, then click Sync. Keep in mind that this process might take a little while, especially if you have a large number of tasks or complex project data. Once the sync is complete, your Asana tasks will appear in your Google Sheet, organized with all their details like assignees, due dates, and task descriptions. It's important to note that this setup only exports data from Asana to Sheets. It doesn't sync changes back automatically, so any edits you make in the Google Sheet won't update your Asana project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.